square roots without a calculator. Okay, so the square root of 81 is what?
9.
Is it 9 or is it plus or minus 9?
Plus or minus 9.
Or did I say that just to confuse you? And remember, when you're dealing with the square root is always whatever sign it is. So this is an unwritten positive, so your answer is just 9. Okay? So in this case, again, all you really are doing is you're looking the square root of 9 squared. If you think in terms of exponential forms of any perfect powers. And I'm introducing that now because as we get to some of the next couple sections here, being able to think of perfect powers in their exponential form is going to help you tremendously. So the square root of 9 squared fits the pattern. The nth root of a to the n is just a or absolute value of a. Remember, it depends if it is an odd index or an even index. Okay, so since we have an even index here, we have to consider the absolute value of this number, so we just get the value 9. Okay, what about the square root of 4.7 quantity squared? Okay, again, it fits this same form right here. The nth root of 4.7 to the n, the index and power are the exact same number. So since it's an even index, we're going to use absolute value of 4.7, which comes out as 4.7. And then finally, the square root of 1 over 4. Okay, as far as that's concerned, if you look at what value can you square to get 1/4, you have 1/2 quantity squared is equal to 1/4. So again, it has the same pattern, nth root of 1/2 to the n. The index and power are the same. So we're just going to take the base out completely, absolute value of it, because we're dealing with an even index, and we get 1/2 as our answer.